Hello everyone, welcome to RioDeFi's channel and thank you for tuning in for this update. So we're happy to share with you what we've been up to over the past month. With Rio Chain, we've had a number of developments, including the upgrade to Substrate version 3.0. And with this update, we've also included functionality for the Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM. So this is currently in the midst of an audit, and we're looking to have that done hopefully in early Q1 of next year. Once we have the audit done, then we can do the migration from the old chain assets, the Rio Chain first version, up to the new version of Rio Chain. And with that, we plan to incorporate a number of other decentralized applications onto Rio Chain. So it'll be very easy to move applications from Ethereum onto Rio Chain, and to move assets also from Ethereum onto Rio Chain via ZMorph, which is actually something we'll be talking about a bit later, but it's a decentralized trading platform for cross-chain assets. The next update we have was on RioWallet. So we released, for the web wallet, we released version 2.4, which allows people to buy cryptocurrencies using MoonPay and Simplex. So you can buy crypto using your fiat currencies and get them received directly to your RioWallet. We are also now working on version 2.5, which allows users to sell crypto via MoonPay back into fiat currencies. So, we think this will be a key update, as it'll allow people to sort of complete the fiat on and off ramp using MoonPay, fiat currencies to cryptocurrencies and back again. With the future, we're working on DeFi pools, and we're going to start with RFuel pools for that, so users can stake RFuel to get rewards in stablecoins such as USDT. On the mobile version of RioWallet, since the last video update, we've now released version 2.0, which is an updated mobile UI, and it has a swipe card design where you can switch very easily between the blockchains that are hosted on RioWallet. We now have support for 7 different blockchains, which includes RioChain, RioExchange, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Kusama, and Polkadot. So 7 of the key blockchains in the ecosystem. And we're going to continue to integrate more multi-chain support in the future. We also have an improved navigation menu, hidden balances for people that want to be a bit more discreet about their asset holdings, and there's improved customer support options and in-app user experience. Now what we're working on with the mobile wallet is version 2.1 that allows you to buy crypto using MoonPay within the mobile wallet as well. So that'll be faster and secure crypto onboarding for RioWallet users. And it will also have new language support for Spanish, Turkish, and Vietnamese, because we do have very strong communities in these areas that speak these languages. And so we want to have an improved user experience for RioDeFi's global community of users, make it more accessible for people all around the world. In the future, we will have the DeFi pools also integrated with RioWallet mobile version, and we are working on adding NFT functionality for the wallet to be able to view NFTs on various blockchains within RioWallet. Now, over the past month, we've also had a number of integrations on RioWallet. This is for decentralized applications that you can now access directly through the mobile version of RioWallet. So these include, on the DeFi side, 1inch Network, DYDX, SushiSwap, Yearn Finance, Curve, and Plasma Finance. And then with NFT platforms, we've now included Rarible and OpenSea, as well as a blockchain game called Celestial. So we are continuing to upgrade RioWallet with these new dApp integrations to make it more useful for people to very easily deploy their crypto assets to earn yields, trade NFTs, and gain access to the whole broad Web 3.0 ecosystem. As I mentioned before, we have a dApp that we've been incubating called ZMorph, which is a layer 2 solution that will help connect multiple blockchains together. So it's a cross-chain layer 2 solution using ZK rollups that will enable a decentralized exchange where you can trade assets from various blockchains very easily with each other. So you can imagine this as a very low gas fee, high transaction speed version of Uniswap with cross-chain assets. So we think this is absolutely a game changer in the cryptocurrency space. We're so excited to be working with the ZMorph team on this to launch on RioChain. So actually ZMorph has its own blockchain, which we will be sort of connecting with RioChain. But they're actually using RFuel as the main token for that chain. So, this has been a really great step for us to work so closely with a team that was willing to adopt our native token as the primary currency for the ZMorph application. So we're very excited about that, and soon we'll have an announcement on the various pairings that will be available on ZMorph at launch. So some other key features on this: it's built using Substrate technology. It uses ZK snarks for the trustless transaction process. RFuel, as I mentioned, will be the incentive mechanism for ZMorph, and version 1.0 will have interoperability between Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchains through the ZMorph. So the next update is on RioExchange, and when we first started building RioExchange, we were originally using a solution that was more of a white label solution, but instead we've actually now built our own exchange platform. We've had it penetration tested by Certik, and so we have made sure that it's absolutely secure for the users, and we're very excited to be rolling the exchange out in the coming weeks. So first, what we'll have is a whitelist for people to sign up for the exchange to be able to join in the early beta testing. So we will actually have that launching in the coming weeks here, and we will also allow people then to, for those that get selected from the whitelist, we'll select a small amount of people to become closed beta testers of the exchange. So they'll be able to get a password to access the exchange platform, do the onboarding, and then we'll load their exchange account with balances so that they can engage in sort of virtual trading, so they can test out all the functionality and be able to experience the onboarding process. And then in the coming months, we will launch the full exchange for everyone to use, passwords for the individual accounts, but no global password on the website, so that people can actually access the exchange from all around the world to be able to trade cryptocurrencies for fiat currencies, as well as between the cryptocurrencies themselves. So we're very excited about the upcoming launch of RioExchange. At launch, the trading pairs will be between Bitcoin, Ether, USDT, USDC, and RFuel. We will continue to add many more cryptocurrencies and pairs over time. And with the exchange, we have a lot of interesting opportunities for people to gain access to rewards and bonuses and things like this, referral incentives. So we're going to be announcing more details on that very soon. Those are the main updates for the month of November. We have a lot in store for the coming weeks, especially over this past year. We'll have a nice yearly recap, but we've made sure to focus on building the core infrastructure of RioChain. So upgrading it to Substrate version 3, including functionality for the Ethereum virtual machine, moving toward a decentralized node management system with NPOS for the validation, and also building the key components of RioWallet, which is now quite a useful multi-chain wallet on both the web and on mobile phones. We have worked on RioExchange, where we have been busy in getting licenses. So we're applying in a number of jurisdictions all over the world, including Singapore. You can see us on their website with Rio Technologies PTE Ltd. We've applied for the Payment Services Act license, and we're also applying for licenses in a number of other jurisdictions to be able to do scalable fiat to cryptocurrency exchange in a licensed and regulated manner, which we think is very important moving forward in the crypto space. Additionally, in 2021, one of the key initiatives that we launched is our incubation hub, where we help early stage blockchain startups to get marketing support, fundraising support, and to get strategic guidance for how they can build their dApps on RioChain. So we've worked with a number of projects now, and we're excited to be announcing a number of new projects coming in 2022. which we've been working with behind the scenes. So we have projects that are doing NFT marketplaces, GameFi applications, as well as entering the metaverse by building out virtual worlds which will connect to the broader metaverse. So we're very excited about helping to support these companies and to build their applications around Rio Chain so that they can have access to both traditional finance and decentralized finance from one interface. So we're really excited to be working with a number of excellent companies, and we'll be announcing more details on those in the coming months. So thank you so much for tuning in, for checking out RioDeFi and learning more about what we're up to. We plan to release these updates every month, and in some months we might have more than one. So we're very excited for what's to come in 2022. We think it'll be definitely a breakout year for Rio Chain, RioDeFi as a whole, and you're really going to see the functionality come to life as we get the chain with the support for the Ethereum virtual machine to make it much easier for other dApps as well to join the RioDeFi ecosystem. So thank you so much. If you haven't already, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to communicating with you on Telegram, Twitter, and through these video updates. Thank you so much. Take care.